Hey guys, today I will show you how to establish camps in Monster Hunter World. To unlock a new camp, you first need to discover its location while exploring a map. Campsites are usually hidden and marked as campsite when you get close enough. Once you find a camp location, you can head back to Astera and you need to complete a short delivery request. These requests usually ask you to deliver specific materials gathered from the area. You can check delivery requests by talking to the resource center in Astera. After completing the delivery, the camp will be permanently established. From then on, you can fast travel to that camp during hunts and use the item box and tent inside. And that is how to establish camps in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.